I am Sibongile Nkosi Tembe, the Acting District Director for Pinetown. I came today to attend a workshop on curriculum that was set by or organized by Curriculum Branch. My presentation was on how to improve performance and make sure that we 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 produce more numbers in terms of the quality of results or bachelor passes. So my presentation was looking at the approach that we need to come up with as district. One being to see to it that we adopt a differentiated approach so that we can be able to know all the learners and we are able to cover all learners in terms of dividing them. Those that are high flyers, we cater for them. Those that are middle performers, we attend to them. And even our progress learners, we need not to lose them as a system. But what we need to do is to come up with the programs that are going to cater for them. We are a system, and our programs also, or our intervention strategies, should be also talking to even our lower grades, that is grade R up to our grade 12. More specifically, I was basing my presentation as to say we need to build up a strong foundation, and also our grade 8 and 9, we need to pay attention to them in terms of taking subjects like maths very serious. We are saying all our districts should be maths district. We need to prioritize mathematics. But over and above that, as a province of KwaZulu-Natal, we've got last push program for our grade 12. As Pinetown district, we are saying we need to have first push. And the first push will be starting from our grade 10, where we are going to introduce them to all programs and activities that are there in grade 12. And we prepare them for grade 12 so that we level the ground. When they come to grade 12, they are well prepared. And we are saying there must be a time where we are not going to rely on extra classes, winter classes, and what have you. But whatever time that is available for our schools, our educators must be used efficiently and effectively so that we improve as a system. Thank you.